Today, let me try a roasting video. I mean, roasting peanuts in an oven. Put raw peanut into the tray. Make sure it is in one layer and it is not overlapping. Put salt. Keep temperature as 225. Keep the function as toast. Keep time as around 5 minutes. If the peanuts start popping before 5 minutes, then wait for around 20 to 30 seconds and then you can turn off the OTG. "30 more seconds to go before 5 minutes and you can see the peanuts popping. I have turned off the oven, but I'll keep this inside for around 10 minutes. And I am taking it out. Smells good. Hot fresh peanuts and Netflix. What more you need for a perfect weekend?